I thought I'd share my composition notebook. It is totally completed. It's pretty thick, really gnarly. The cover is beat up. It's just random paper I have. I mean, look at that's how it closes. So let's see what I created inside. Now just remember, it doesn't need to make sense. It's a free zone just to create and let things flow, let things go away. So, some of the pages you'll be like, what was she thinking? I wasn't. I was just creating. It didn't matter what it looks like. Let's move this out of the way. And this is from October, November, December 2025, January, February 2026. And a lot of the pages on here, it's just random paint from jelly printing. And some I just created myself to finish off the book. So you'll see stenciling, you'll see me trace the stencil, you'll see me add. Like this is a stencil. And I just ran with it and just went. Practicing eyeballs. Background paper that I made. These are Delusion die cuts. These I came across, I think, in my Delusion die cuts tags I made a while ago, and I just finished the background and I added the string and just put them in the back. Put them in just the way they are. Like this is a card. A neighbor gave me a stack of cards, and I cut it out and used it. This is an inside of a card. More Delusion die cuts. This is out of a magazine that I've been moving in this room. Seems like every time I go into die cuts, this falls out. Well, not anymore. It's in a journal. I did a flip out. These circles right here, Sabrina sent me. They're actually watercolor paper. I've yet to watercolor on them, but I have doodled on them because I thought that was kind of cool. This back side I put some of my own paper. But these I've been moving around in my craft space, so I thought I'd use them. These are all me doodling on book pages. Watching a lady learn how to do flowers and vines and mushrooms. This page right here, this book page, is me doing a page in a journal and taking it and pressing it down and going like this, moving my hand, and then picking it up and seeing what I got. That's from me doing that. And then it turns and I can add to this over and over. And I'll show you. I just did a bunch I threw in my one basket. See, this is from me just taking paint off these pages. The start of some background Mixmedia. These colored her with my new skin tone markers. I think she turned out pretty good, because when it comes to coloring the skin tones, it could be kind of hard. So I think it turned out pretty good. And I struggle with lip color all the time. These are those doodles I did. I just colored them in and I just did them all on the background. Lines. This is magazine image. I thought it was cool. I added just a balloon. Little girl looks like she's holding a balloon. This was magazine images that I must have cut out for something, she didn't have any hair. I don't know what I was thinking or at the time when I cut them out. So I'm like, okay, they're out. I'll just use them and roll with it. So I put this flower and I put this necklace on her. This one's kind of a lame page, but and I gave him an earring. But it's about creative. These were little people my mom had. And I fussy cutted them out and just put them on here, and I doodled all these circles on book pages. And I did the rip and put them in. Last few pages in the back are just backgrounds. I didn't add anything on them. The book was falling apart, so I didn't want to press my luck. And there we go. So I started a new one today. I'm prepping a new one. So right now, pages are between plastic, so they don't stick. And I'll go through the whole book and I'll do that. I glue 2 pages together, and I prep it before I use it, so then I don't have to worry about it. Some of these pages in this one, I didn't do that too. Like the front ones, they're not doubled, and you can tell compared to the back. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're having a good evening. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.